All right, I'm going to open a booster pack of the Icons of the Realms Eberron, Rising from the Last War. I'm very excited about this one. Personally, I am a big fan of the Warforged, so I'm really hoping to get one of those. Whoa. I will say I did notice that this pack was very light. So I wasn't expecting anything huge in there, but a living spell. Oh, nice. These are very cool. It's the see-through material, translucent. You can see a little, sort of like a dragon face on there on the rocks. Next up, oh my goodness. Look at this. 8 eyes and lobster claws, like a snake body. This is very cool. Sukora Kori. I like this one a lot. This looks like it might be very similar. Oh no, I'm totally wrong. Wow. A Kalaric Kori. It's almost like a ant spider snake. And again, the translucent effect around it. Even with like a minimal paint job on the actual creature, the spell looks fantastic. Oh, nice. And then a Iron Defender. Very cool. Definitely useful for artificers. So, even though no Warforged, I'm still very excited about these. These might be some of my favorite that I've gotten.